Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 24 to March 2, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what's up. Nurture. Okay, it's time to take care of yourself. You have a nurturing energy or maaring meron kang aalagaan ngayong week na to. Pwedeng anak mo, pamangkin mo, or this can be yourself. You will focus on taking care of yourself. Self-love, self-care. You also have wild woman, free. Uy. You are stepping into your own power, Aquarius. Ikaw ay malayang nagagawa or magagawa ang gusto mo. This is freedom from your limitations or mas malaya kang na-express yung sarili mo. Some of you pwedeng umalis kayo sa isang relationship na maraming limitasyon. So ngayon, inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. You are coming home to yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay uuwi sa inyong hometown or home country. Some of you naman, bibili kayo ng bago nyong bahay or meron kayong aayusin sa bahay nyo. Kasi pag-aalaga to, you know. So, yeah, you will make your home cozy and comfortable. So, pwede may renovation, rearrangement ng furnitures. Your overall energy is the Five of Pentacles. Some of you are feeling sad about a situation na parang hindi mo in-expect na yung iba sa inyo i-ghost ng person nyo. Or merong taong parang hindi na nagparamdam sa inyo. Pwedeng tong person na to ay may utang sa inyo. Hindi na nagparamdam. And then your challenge is the Seven of Pentacles. Paghihintay ang challenge mo ngayon. I think you are into road to recovery, especially sa finances mo. Maari ngayon nagsastruggle ka financially or you feel like parang may kulang. Hindi mo nami-meet yung target mo, target earnings mo, or target na savings mo. With the Seven of Pentacles, this is a challenge sa'yo na mas maging mapagpasensya or matutong maghintay, lalo na kung alam mo naman na nagawa mo na yung best mo, nagawa mo na yung trabaho mo. So you just have to wait for what's to come. And also, kapag meron kang resulta na gusto mong makuha, kailangan alam mo rin or sure ka rin na nagawa mo yung nire-require, yung kailangan para sa resulta na yon. So example, mayroon kang lulutuin, adobo. So, ano ba yung mga ingredients ng adobo? Diba? Ano ba yung proseso, tamang proseso ng pagluluto? Kasi kung meron ka na miss out doon, maaring hindi mo makuha yung expectations mo na lasa ng adobo. Okay? So, your opportunity is the Justice card. This is about bringing balance into your life and also clarity. So, kung meron mang ikaw ay naguguluhan sa sitwasyon mo, ngayong week na to, you will gain clarity. Yung iba sa inyo may opportunity na makapag-desisyon kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo moving forward. Your blessing is the Six of Wands. Wow. Ang ganda ng blessing. After all ng challenges mo, meron pa ring maganda na mangyayari sa'yo. This is about success. This is about recognition. 6th house. So, meron kang recognition sa trabaho. Pwede ring meron kang maayos na health issues mo, no, sa kalusugan mo. Maari ring kasi nga focusing on your healthcare, your health, self-love, self-care. And Yung iba, kung kayo nasa social media or you are into content creation, yung tipong mag-viral yung videos mo or yung content mo or somehow, kumbaga makikilala ka na, ganon. You have mountain, merong obstacle rito pero kaya mo siyang overcome. Yun. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na, are you willing to do the work? 'Di ba? Inalign mo ba yung sarili mo doon sa nire-require na trabaho para sa resulta na gusto mo? You have the moon, very emotional. You can be very emotional this week, especially kung meron kayong issue sa family, within the family, or meron kang namimiss. Oo, I see someone here na namimiss niya yung family niya, yung iba mo pang mahal sa buhay. Emotions are high right now. Okay. So, yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong ma-achieve na goal para sa bahay nyo. So, pwedeng meron kayong kailangan bayaran na needs for your house or sa family member. So, you will be mafu-fulfill mo yon. Sa iyong career, money, finances, merong advancement. So, merong career growth. You can expect career growth sa iyong trabaho. Merong opportunities, no, sa career mo. So, wag mo raw sayangin itong pagkakataon na to. Kasi, syempre, opportunities, they come and go. So, make sure na pag dumating siya sa'yo, bukas ang kamay mo para saluhin. 'Di ba? Okay, so sa love life naman, you have clarity. So, when it comes to relationship, you know what you want, no? Maliwanag na sa'yo kung ito bang relasyon na to ay ipagpapatuloy mo o ili-let go mo na. Oo. Everything makes sense now. So, ibig sabihin yan, naiintindihan mo na kung bakit nandyan ka sa sitwasyon na yan sa relationship mo. Parang meron kang naintindihan na isang sitwasyon. Can be sitwasyon ng isang tao at relasyon niya sa'yo, pakikitungo niya sa'yo. Phoenix, creative change realizes your dreams. Wow. So, yung pagbabago manggagaling sa'yo. At ito ay parang di ba yung phoenix is rising from the ashes. So, coming from a difficult situation, you will recover. So, yeah, like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, kung meron kayong struggle sa career, sa finances ninyo, in the end, ma-overcome nyo yan. And yung iba sa inyo, may malaking pagbabago sa career path, sa trabaho or sa business, which is growth and expansion. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.